Within my place. We are ready.
How do I look?
You are looking more than good than ever before.
Really? Yes. So I didn't know what I
My son.
Mother.
You are here?
Yes.
I went to check on you in your room. You were not there.
Really?
Oh, yes.
I hope there's no problem.
Oh, no problem at all. It just occurred to me that you are supposed to be meeting the Princess of Abale Kingdom today. Am I correct?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
You're very correct, Mother. And as you can see, Mother, I am ready for the royal date.
Oh my God. You look great, my son.
Thank you.
You are too handsome. No woman with her right senses will turn you down. Look at, you're shining like a bright morning star.
Thank you, Mother. You never cease to amaze me.
But it's true. Anyway, I wish you guys good luck.
Thank you, Mother.
I will hear from you when you return.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
You look great.
Thanks.
Okay, 1 second.
My princess, I suggest you go in the color red. It's so beautiful. I might not know his favorite color or his choice of color, but red is a color that everybody likes, especially men.
I think you have a point. And you? My princess, in my own opinion, I think I prefer this because it will look nice on you and then it will go with your complexion.
I'm confused. Okay, but I think I'd rather go on red.
Yes.
And I like the long sleeve at the back.
Wise choice, my princess.
I'll go on red.
It's perfect.
Okay, thank you very much. So, where is my driver? He's ready and we are ready too. Okay, the makeup artist?
She's waiting.
Alright.
My princess, the date is for 11 a.m. and it's already 11:30.
What? Oh, let me go.
Easy, my princess. She said it's ready.
I'm so sorry to have kept you waiting.
It's alright. For you, I'll wait 1,000 minutes.
Wow, thanks. Wow. Thank you. Honestly, I must confess, I love the setting.
Thank you. I'm glad you love it. You are royalty, so you should be treated as one.
Thank you. Prince Obina. I'm glad to finally meet you in person, flesh and blood.
And blood. Oh yes, Princess Oma. I'm glad to finally meet you in person. Flesh and blood. No more phone chats.
No more phone chat. That's it. Oh my.
Oh my God, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Forgive me, I was carried away. Okay, we have a lot, a whole lot. Where would you like to start from the drink?
Well, I would.
Choose.
Hey,
What's wrong?
please.
Easy.
My tummy. I don't know. Can I use the restroom, please?
Oh yeah, sure. It's somewhere down there.
Okay.
Easy. Whoa. You tied?
Oh no. I didn't do it. I
I didn't do it. Honestly, believe me. I couldn't have done it.
So who did it?
I don't know. I couldn't have done this. Honestly.
What are you saying? You tied.
I'm surprised. Please, believe me. Believe me, I'm telling you the truth. I never did that. I mean, I couldn't have done it.
So who did? Tell me, who did? Me?
No, I never said you did, but I did not.
So who did? Well, you saw it, the tablecloth was tied to your dress, so...
That is what I'm so surprised about. I'm surprised about it. I didn't do it, please. Don't ruin this moment, please.
Alright, fine. You didn't do it. I don't know who did, fine. Can we go back inside?
Thank you. Thank you.
Pull it up!
Crying. You can't kill yourself over what happened. Stop crying.
Don't tell me that, Uluma. Do not tell me to stop crying. After all, you caused this. After all, you caused this for me. You suggested this outfit that embarrassed me like this. Now you're telling me to calm down? Why should I calm down?
I'm so sorry. I never knew the dress was bad.
You never knew. How would you have known? Now you're telling... Please, I do not want to speak to either of you. Leave my presence. Leave my presence at once!
You've not said anything meaningful here.
That's because I don't even know the meaning of what I saw today. Honestly.
What thing are you talking about?
I think Princess Oma has a problem.
A problem? How?
I can't really lay my hands on, what it is, but she has a problem, believe me.
No. You don't have to rush to such a hasty conclusion. Such things do happen. Today is the first day you both are meeting each other. It's obvious she could be tensed and got some things wrong. You don't have to conclude so fast, okay? Just give her some time, please.
Alright, if you say so.
Yes, I said so.
I'll be in my room.
Oma, can you stop crying and tell me what happened?
I was with him, Mommy. When I felt this sharp pain at my lower abdomen and at once felt pressed, I told him I needed to use the restroom. He directed me towards the place. When I stood up to go to the restroom, I had no idea how my dress got tied to the tablecloth. And he put everything on the table and it got shattered. I don't know, Mommy. I don't know.
Who tied your clothes to the tablecloth?
That is the puzzle. I still cannot understand it. I never did, Mommy. I tried explaining to him that it wasn't my fault, but it sounded very stupid. Because it was just the two of us in there. And if I didn't, who did then?
You're sure you never did?
How can you ask me such a question, Mommy? I would never have such thoughts in my head. I mean, I did not do it. I didn't.
This is serious.
And as if that wasn't enough, Mommy, I followed him downstairs and I explained everything to him. I mean, I made him to understand that it wasn't entirely my fault. And he agreed to go back inside with me. And the sharp pain came again. And the worst happened.
What?
Yes. My zip unzipped. And my dress went down right in front of him, his guards, and everybody, Mommy.
How?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't just know.
Tell me how it happened. Tell me, I don't understand you.
Mommy, if I knew what was wrong with me, I wouldn't be here crying. I wouldn't be here feeling bad. I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know. I don't know. I don't. I don't know.
Sorry, who are you?
My name is Princess Morgana. I am the only princess in my kingdom.
And what kingdom is that?
Never mind. I brought my beautiful maidens to make you happy. I know you like them. I can do anything to make you happy. Girls, give him a treat.
Hey. Whoa, easy. Come, hey. Wait. Hey, what? Hey. Don't.
When are you seeing Princess Oma again?
I want to take my time.
Sadly, we don't have time on our favor. You and I know what is at stake. Yes.
What are you talking about?
What I'm talking about is that you need to propose to her and get married to her as soon as possible. That is the ultimate goal.
You're right. Yeah. You see, but
so many young men out there who are also doing well in the societal world want the princess as their bride. Therefore, you have to act as fast as possible. Act fast in order to help us hit the goal.
alright, I'll call her today.
Yes, you have to call her. If possible, go to her father's house and see her. That will make a lot of sense. The goal for the next 2 weeks is to put that ring on her third finger. And I know you won't let me down. Or will you?
Mother, are you not being too fast?
Yes, I am fast. Because the occasion demands for it. I have to be fast.
Where is your daughter?
She will soon join us.
She not. She's still disturbed over Igwe Zudo's son.
No, she is better now.
I wouldn't want anything to make my daughter unhappy. She is everything I have. I have said that if Iwe Ezudo's son will bring problem to my daughter, he should better find his way. My daughter's happiness is worth more than the treasures, all the treasures of the world.
My lord, you're right.
Hey, Daddy. Good morning, Mommy. Wow. Good morning.
My daughter is so cheerful today.
Yes, Daddy, I am.
I'm happy for that.
My princess.
Mommy.
You can dish your food.
Alright, thank you.
I am glad my princess is jovial today.
Yes, I am. I have forgotten everything that happened on that day. I'm living my normal life. And I'm glad nothing of such has ever happened again.
My princess, how is he? Like, is he still upset with you?
I wouldn't know. He hasn't called me, and I haven't called him either.
You mean he hasn't called you since then?
Yeah, he hasn't.
No, that's not romantic at all.
Maybe you should just forget about him and move on. You're worth more than that. I mean, there are lots of men out there who are looking for this opportunity that is misusing. If not for your beauty, then for your intelligence and your father's wealth. If he's not cool with it, then he should back off, please. Just forget about him, my princess.
Yes, my princess. I think she's right. You deserve a man that will love and cherish you in all circumstances. A man that will look beyond your flaws and love you for who you are. A man that will take care of you like there is no tomorrow.
You seem to have forgotten that I need a man in my life. A man that I love. A man that I will care for. A man that everything in me wants. A man that my heart yearns for. That is what I also deserve. That is the first thing that counts in every relationship. Please.
She is very strong, a woman of dignity. She is prayerful, a woman of substance. She is so blessed, her beauty na evidence. Ogoni di man, okunu di aniru. Obidia, yeah, ugebo ibo mamo.
Mommy, where do you have to come now?
It is, Your Highness.
I'll see you later. I was enjoying the song. Yes.
My daughter.
Mommy.
Tell me, why don't you want to see the senator's son?
Nothing.
You can't tell me that.
Mommy, I said nothing. Must I see him? I do not want to see him. Is it by force?
I hope it has nothing to do with Prince Obinna.
Mommy, it's high time you understood that Prince Obinna is my life. I love him so much. He is the one my heart yearns for. Mommy, please.
Mechiano. Somebody who has not called nor checked on you for over a week now because of one useless thing that happened to you on your first date with him. Let me tell you, my daughter, all those drama are enough proof that the relationship won't work.
Mommy, please do not conclude so fast. It's my relationship you're talking about here.
And what if he doesn't want you? Tell me, will you force yourself on him? Let me tell you, from all indications, he doesn't want you. Someone who used to call you all the time. Someone who couldn't wait to see you, even when you were still abroad. And now that you are very close to him, he does not call you again. My daughter, wise up.
Mommy, please. I want to be left alone. Give me some time, please. Please.
You want to be left alone?
Yes.
Suit yourself.
I'm so sorry for everything, my Prince Charming. Please give me another chance to make it right and make it work. Please. Please, my love.
Obinna, wait. Have you called her yet? Why? Obinna, can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Are you sure you really love that girl?
Mother, how can you ask me such a question? Of course I love her. You know, I've always loved her. And our relationship has been great. While she was in the States, we talk on the phone almost every day. We're fine.
And what is happening now?
Mother, that girl has a problem.
Can you hear yourself talk? Someone you used to call on a daily basis when she was abroad. You claimed you love her so much. She flew down to Nigeria just to be with you. What is expected of you, Obinna, is to take this relationship to the next level. You are here talking nonsense. Huh?
It's not about me, Mother.
It's all about you, Obinna. Even if you think she has a problem, love would have persuaded you to stand by her and fight the battle with her. Eh? Help her with whatever problem you think she has. That is the definition of true love. Have you sat down to think of the pains you are causing that girl right now? That girl flew all the way from abroad to Nigeria just to be with you. And right now you are too far away from her. You are rather selfish, Obinna. And take my words, if eventually you miss that girl, I repeat, if you miss that girl, Obinna, believe me, you will regret it for the rest of your life.
Hello?
Hello, my love. How are you today?
Let's say I'm fine.
What's wrong?
Like you don't know?
I don't know, tell me.
Okay, fine. If you don't know, let's move to the next one.
Okay, fine, look. I'm sorry I've not checked up on you since
Obina, you really surprised me. I must tell you this, you really surprised me. You know full well that I came back to this country all because of you. What were you thinking? That what happened at that restaurant was on purpose? Of course not. Okay, fine. Let's say I have a problem like you're making it appear. Couldn't you have stood by me? You left me ever since the incident and you never called back. Is that the best way to handle things? Is that it?
Look, my love, you can go on and on about this and you're right, okay? Just don't go any further, please. I'd like to see you now. Can we make it a date at the same restaurant, please? Mama, I still love you. Believe me, from the depths of my heart, I still love you. It's just that, you know, what happened the other day, it got me thinking. And you will not blame me, that's what every reasonable man will do.
I understand. And I want you to know that I love you too. I love you very much, Obi. I know exactly how I feel about you in my heart. I don't think such occurrence would have made me to abandon you if I were in your shoes. I'm telling you the truth, I wouldn't have.
Mama, you said it before. Okay, fine, I accept. Alright, I messed up, it was all my fault. I didn't check up on you, I didn't follow you up. I'm sorry. Please, forgive me.
You know you're already forgiven. I will always forgive you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you more.
Yes, marry me. Marry me.
Oh, baby.
Again?
No, I'm fine. I need to use the restroom now. I need to.
No, not again. No, not again.
No!
No, not again, not again. No, not again. No, not again. No, not again. No, not again, not again.
Sorry, I didn't mean to do this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Each time I'm getting closer.
I don't know. I can't tell. But there is something evil about that place. That place is evil. Trust me, I will never visit that place in my life again. Never will I. I will never.
What happened this time, my princess?
Same thing, same embarrassment. It all started with a sharp pain on my belly. And then the rest is history.
My God. What could this be?
My princess, avoiding that hotel for now should be the best option.
Oh, who knows? I mean, who knows what he will be thinking about me now? Who knows his thoughts about me? He could be thinking that I'm possessed or something. I don't know. I don't just understand. Who is ruining this joy of mine? Who is doing this to me? And he just proposed to me. He proposed to me today and this happened. I don't know what is happening. He proposed. I don't know. I don't know.
You're back. How did it go? Wait, so what happened to your clothes?
Well, the date went well. I proposed to her. She accepted. As for my shirt, you already said it's a battle I have to fight with her to win. So that's exactly what I'm doing.
She poured this on you?
I don't want to talk about it, but I'll be in my room.
Each time I'm getting closer to my love, something strange will happen. Each time I'm getting closer to my love, something strange will happen. Something strange, something strange. Each time I'm getting closer.
Do you feel this pain any other time? Like on your daily activities?
Exactly the point, Mommy. I have never in my life felt that pain before. Never. The very first day I felt it was the day I stepped my foot in that hotel. Mommy, trust me when I tell you there's something wrong there. There is something.
This is Africa. Diabolism is the order of the day.
I don't understand it. Why me, Mommy? Why? I don't understand it. Why me, Mommy? Why? I will never step my foot in there again. Never. Everything was just going on well. We were very happy. And he proposed to me, Mommy. He did. I was so happy, Mommy. I have never been that happy in my life before. I have never been. And suddenly, the sharp pain came and spoiled everything. Embarrassed me in public, and spoiled things from me. Everything.
Never mind. He will still come back to you. He will understand.
Mommy, I just pray, no. I just pray. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life.
Is she possessed with an evil spirit or what? I mean, what's that reoccurring pain in her stomach? Hey, is this really a battle I can fight with her? I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Lord, I need your help right now.
My name is not you again. My name is Princess Morgana. I brought my beautiful maidens for you. I know you need them.
I don't need them.
Come on. Like I said, I will do anything to make you happy. Girls, give him a treat.
Oh, not again.
I know you need it.
No, I don't need that. Oh, whoa, guys, people, can you just stop this? Is it by force?
Calm down.
Who are those ladies? And who is Princess Morgana?
Who is it? Who is that? Come in, please.
My princess. He's here. He wants to see you.
What are you talking about?
Prince Obina is here.
What sort of silly joke is it this morning?
It's no joke, my princess. He's here and he asked me to come and tell you that he's here.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, I've not had my bath, I've not made up, I've not done anything.
Do I go and meet him like this?
No, my princess. He's been served chill drinks. So, freshen up while I go and tell him that you said he should wait, that you're coming.
Wait? How could you say such a thing? Tell my ward to wait? How? I mean, don't you think it's very wrong to tell him to wait?
You're a princess, and it is in his honor to wait for a princess.
Okay, fine. If you're going to tell him to wait, it's alright. But please, be very polite. Be respectful, okay? And meanwhile, tell Uluma to hasten up. You should be very, very fast and come with me.
You shouldn't wait too much. It's alright, my princess. Alright.
Love comes, life is unhard. When love comes, when love shows up, Iga Maraba, Nike Dini Honanya, Iga Mataba, Nike Dini Honanya. Ethic line between love and hate, but I choose love. It's like I'm crashing. What will I do?
Oh my word, I can't believe this. You're here for real? Welcome.
Thank you. Yes, as you can see, I'm here for real.
And you never told me you were coming.
Well, sometimes we do things not the conventional way, but differently. I wanted to surprise you.
This is the best surprise of my life, I must tell you. I'm very excited to have you here.
You can say that again.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I'm sorry they left you outside.
No, it's not a problem. I demanded to be here. They wanted me to come inside, but I said no. Let me sit out here, enjoy nature, think about us.
Oh, thank you, babes. Let's go inside now.
You don't like me being here?
Oh, you can't come to my father's house and be left outside. Go in so that you'll be more comfortable.
Your wish is my command.
As always.
No, not again.
The queen again.
No, not again. No, not again, not again. No, not again. No, not again. No, not again. No, not again.
very strange.
I told you, mother, she has a problem. Very big spiritual problem. I cannot help her with it.
Huh? What does that mean?
You heard me, mother. I'll say it again. I cannot help her with her issues. It's better we just go our separate ways.
No, son. That's cowardice. Every problem has a solution.
A solution, you say?
You heard me. All you need now is to ask him to tell you what the problem is. What is her problem? That's what you should do. Then the both of you can now go out and look for a lasting solution. That is love for you. Love shares in another's burden. Love sacrifices. Love gives and not only takes. Please.
Mother, I've tried. Look, I cannot kill myself. That's just the truth. I've tried my best. At this point, I've had it up to here. Princess Oma and I we're done.
I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe this. No way. It cannot happen. This girl is my daughter-in-law. Come what may. No.
If this relationship is causing our daughter a lot, then she has to call it quits.
Igwe, you are not getting the point, are you?
What point?
Our daughter has a spiritual problem.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Igwe, I am not talking nonsense. She has a very big spiritual problem. And the earlier we begin to look for solution to this spiritual problem, the better for all of us.
How can you say that my only daughter, the princess of this great Abali kingdom, has a spiritual problem?
Of course she does. Her relationship is at the verge of collapsing because of this same spiritual problem that is always causing her embarrassment anytime she is with the one she loves.
So what do we do?
Now you are talking.
Emmanuel, God of Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, I've done a spiritual scan on her. She has no spiritual problem. Yes. All I see is spirit of purity, love, good heart, awesomeness, soundness. There is no negativity in her. Listen, you have to take her home. What you seek in her is not there.
I don't believe this man.
Same here, Mommy. It sounded very fake.
Let's try another place.
Exactly what's on my mind.
Let's go.
Gabadosh! Ladake, Made! Korenon Todabuya! Rabadosh! Dabo! Rabade Keskende! Rabados! I looked and I saw a beautiful garden full of olive trees and palm trees. A garden full of grapes and vine. But there are many that seek to pluck from the garden. But here stands the gardener seeking for help when she has no need for help. Go home! For I see nothing wrong with you, both physically and spiritually. Now go! Go home! Go home!
Is it not yet time? I am told about the outcome of your visit to the spiritual house.
My king, your daughter and I are still in awe about the outcome of our visit.
What did you find out?
We ended up visiting spiritualists, and they kept saying the same thing.
Which is?
That our daughter is spiritually sound. That there is nothing wrong with her.
But I'm not, Father. I can't be sound when I keep having this ugly recurrence each time I'm with the man I love. Acting under a force. Exhibiting some strange and unexplainable character each time I'm with him. Father, there is something terribly wrong with me. I'm not fine. And whatever it is has to be sorted out. Please.
If staying in this country is the reason you speak like this, I'm sorry I may be left with no other option than to send you back to the States. I mean, you have had the relationships over there and nothing went wrong. Nothing showed up until now that you arrived home.
My daughter, your father is right. I mean, Prince Obina was never your first date. And if dating him will make you this vulnerable to some fake spiritual beliefs and attack, then you better go back to the States and live your normal life.
Mommy, I'm already in love with this man. It's not easy for me. You have to understand. I love him.
And the love is a wrong one. Can't you see? It's not working out.
What is wrong with me? Why can't I stay with the one I love? Why? What is all this? Oh my God. I can't believe this. I can't believe this is happening to me. I can't just believe it. Take this letter. Go to Ezudo's palace. Give it to the prince.
My princess.
You have to do this for me. When the driver takes you to Ezudo Kingdom, give this letter to the prince. It will make me feel better.
Delivering it is not the problem. I mean, I don't have a choice right now than to obey your last wish and command.
So what is the problem?
We're in the modern era, my princess, and things have changed. You have the email and social media platforms which you would use to write the prince. Why handwritten letter?
Akweze, you obviously want to understand. In that letter you have there, I had my heart poured out. All through last night I couldn't sleep. I couldn't. I had to start writing just to ease off my pains. It was just too much on me. Sending him an SMS or an email couldn't have healed my heart exactly the way this write-ups did. Please, just do me this favor. Take that letter to the prince And I will be better. I will feel much better.
Consider it done, my princess.
Yes?
Some people from Umab and the kingdom were here.
Where? Where are they?
They are left, my queen. But they dropped a letter from Princess Oma.
You may leave now.
I know I have hurt you more than you can bear. I know I have not only embarrassed you countless times, but also played with your emotions in all this that is happening. I am not asking for your forgiveness. I do not deserve it. I just want you to understand something very crucial to me. All my life, I have never been in love. Yes, I have dated in the time past, but you are the only man that made me understand what it actually feels to be in love. I am very determined to make this relationship work, but it's obvious some things about me are not right. Some things don't want us together. Even as I try to find out what those unknown elements are, I am still kept in the dark. I am very sorry for disappointing you, my love. Believe me, it wasn't my making. A force greater than me doesn't want me together with you. If this is the way it will end, so be it. But I just want you to know that I still love you so much. I will continue to love you till death.
What are you saying, mother? What are you saying? So her spiritual problem is not important, is that it?
Obinna, every problem has a solution. You have to help her fight her problem. Good thing she's not denying that she has a problem. So why would you leave her now that she needs you most?
I don't even understand you. Okay, fine. Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Why this girl? I mean, why must it be this girl? There are girls everywhere. There are princesses from other kingdoms. Why this one? Why?
Good question. Reason is this. Apart from having the qualities the queen of such a great kingdom like ours should have, her father is a man to reckon with. Your late father's men have eyes on the throne. Therefore, marrying the only daughter of Igwabale, of the great Umabale kingdom, will not only fortify your throne, it will only create fear in the eyes of those men that want you out of the throne by all means. Obinna, think. Be wise.
I see. It was so good that I asked this question. It was never about my happiness. It was all about the throne, right?
Obinna, you cannot separate yourself from the throne. Your happiness is on the throne, first thing before any other thing. Obinna, your royalty. That is what we are talking about here.
I sent Akweze to come and tell you that Senator Waneri's son, George, is here to see you.
I don't want to see anyone.
Why?
I just don't want to see anyone.
It's a lie. You've been like this for the past 3 days now, and your father is worried. Go and hear that young man out.
Hear him out? Hear him out for what? Mommy, how many times have I told you? And I'm telling you again, I do not have feelings for this guy in question. Why should I hear him out?
How do you expect to have feelings for someone you've not given a chance to talk to you? Give him a chance first. He is a gentleman from a reputable family. I don't want you to keep him waiting.
Mommy, please just let me be.
That is an order from me.
Just don't want to go in. Just let me be.
Hi, my princess.
Hi, how are you?
Alright.
Thank you.
Looking good.
Thank you very much. Please sit.
My princess, I think I have another opinion.
Which is?
I want to take you out.
You want to take me out?
Oh yes, my princess. I want to treat you like a princess that you are.
Boy, you can still tell me whatever you wish to say to me right here in this compound.
My beloved princess, I think things like this are said in different atmosphere, under a serene ambience, where you can hear love sounds and love songs, heavy affections coming from one's deepest emotions.
I see.
So, can you be my guest?
After you.
Thank you. No, calm down, calm, chill. Oh my God. Okay.
Wait.
It's okay.
Just I'm tired. What? Are you really like this?
Yeah.
I never knew you were this comic.
I am, baby. Now listen, the guy didn't know the difference in this country. Okay. You know what happened?
What?
He left his father's car and ran straight to the police officer that was standing at the roadside. Hey! He now told the police officer that his father shouted on him. I'm serious. The police officer now asked him, what did you do? He was trying to explain, and guess what?
What?
The police officer gave him a knock on his head. Boom! No, my princess, it didn't end there. The police officer told this boy that he just shouted at you, right? Don't worry. The next time you will repeat this thing again, he will not only shout at you, but he will pull his belt and flog the hell out of you. Then the boy realized that he was in a big pot of soup.
Oh my God, George.
This country is
my ribs are hurting. Please, I don't want to laugh again. Please, enough already.
But no, I just want you to be happy. Laugh. Yeah, take something and good.
Oh my God.
My princess.
My dear.
You see? You're very beautiful. Yes. You're the most beautiful girl on earth. I'm serious.
Thank you.
My princess, I want you to give me a chance. A chance to make you happy. I want you to have a space in your heart for me. My princess, I want to be the reason you are always happy. Yes, my princess. I want you to have me in your heart always. You know, when you're smiling, I just love it. And I want that smile to remain in your life forever if possible. I know that so many men, their eyes are on you. I know, different men from wealthier families, influenced men in the society. But I'm just Josh, an ordinary man. But my princess, all I want from you is just a chance. I want you to give me a chance.
When love comes, life is unhard. When love comes, when love shows up, Iga marama, nikedini hunanya. Iga matabe, nikedini hunanya. Ethic line between love and hate. But I choose love. It's like I'm crazy. What will I do to be with the one?
Princess.
What will I do to be with the one?
Oh, my baby.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I really enjoyed myself today.
Yeah. I hope you like it.
Yes, of course, I did.
So my princess, your mates can continue their jobs because I won't need them when I'm with you. I can do anything to make you happy.
Thank you
serve
very
you,
much. Thank
cook for you, and make you happy and comfortable.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My princess, please, when would I have this pleasure to see you again? At least have a one-on-one conversation with you.
You have my contact and I have yours. You can always talk on phone.
Okay. That's true. I beg to take my leave.
It's alright.
I will see you.
Okay.
It's like I'm crazy. What will I do to be with the one I love? What will I do to be with the one? Tell me. What will I do to be with the one? Tell me.
I laughed and laughed and laughed until there was no strength left in me to laugh again.
Wow, I'm so happy for you, my princess.
Thank you.
My princess, are you trying to say that he took you to that same restaurant?
Yes, that same restaurant.
And the pain didn't show up?
Wait a minute. It's true. I almost forgot. The pain never showed up. And there was no embarrassment of any sort. I was just happy from start to end.
Wow. Interesting.
And sincerely, when I first got there, I was afraid. I thought something might happen. But he made me so comfortable. I was so happy that I did not even remember anything. I was just enjoying myself. Oh my goodness, I can't be any happier.
Thank God. I'm so glad that there's nothing wrong with you after all.
Nothing. Okay, I hope you made my favorite. Yes. Don't play with me. Don't try me. Yes. I'm going to spank you. You made my favorite, right?
Yes, go get it. Wait, you? No, you. Go get it. Okay.
Alright.
Wow.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
My lord, I've never seen your daughter this happy since she came back from the States.
I thought you were of the opinion that she has a spiritual problem?
I don't know. Maybe those were signs that her marriage with Prince Obinna wouldn't work.
But you of all people should know that we are a sacred and royal family. Some things can't befall us. The sacredness of our nature has a way of putting off everything that will bring problem to us in the future. That was what happened.
I believe you, my lord.
Thank you, my dear.
My prince, I'm afraid you have to leave. The princess is not around.
How dare you talk to the prince like that? You know that this is the prince. There is no way we have to leave without seeing the princess.
The king and the queen are not at home either. You people do not have access into the house. My prince, have you tried calling her on phone?
Yes, at least to inform her and let her know that you're waiting for her.
There is no way we are going to leave this house without seeing the princess, even though this heaven have to fall down.
I told you I would bring you to the house. I enjoyed our outing today. I beg to take my leave now. See you soon. Bye.
My love.
Could there be your love? Who is your love?
I'm sorry, I can explain.
Explain what?
He's not my, he's just a friend of mine.
Just a friend. Just a friend, and he just kissed you right in front of me. Huh? Do I look like a fool to you?
No.
Do I look like a fool to you?
No. Please, just understand me. I have nothing with him, honestly.
It's over between us.
No, you can't do this.
I said, give me my...
Please.
Don't make me say it. Give me my ring. Give me my ring. Give me my ring.
Please. Baby, please.
I should have known better. You're just a disgrace to royalty. I should have known better. Why won't you have spiritual problem when you're wearing my ring in our latter another man? Why won't you have spiritual problem?
Sorry.
Idiot. Let's go.
My princess, we
Why did you tell me he was here?
We tried to convince him to go, but he refused.
Princess, I'm sorry, but the prince is the stubborn type.
But you would have called the woman, you would have. Look at what you have cost me now.
I told you I would bring you to the house. I enjoyed our outing today. I beg to take my leave now. See you soon. Bye.
My love.
Could there be your love? Who is your love?
I'm sorry, I can explain.
Explain what?
He's not my, he's just a friend of mine.
Just a friend. Just a friend, and he just kissed you right in front of me. Huh? Do I look like a fool to you?
No.
Do I look like a fool to you?
No. Please, just understand me. I have nothing with him, honestly.
It's over between us.
No, you can't do this.
I said, give me my...
Please.
Don't make me say it. Give me my ring. Give me my ring. Give me my ring.
Please. Baby, please.
I should have known better. You're just a disgrace to royalty. I should have known better. Why won't you have spiritual problem when you're wearing my ring in our latter another man? Why won't you have spiritual problem?
Sorry.
Idiot.
Huh?
My princess, we
Why did you tell me he was here?
We tried to convince him to go, but he refused.
Princess, I'm sorry, but the prince is the stubborn type.
But you would have called the woman, you would have. Look at what you have cost me now. I can't believe this.
You have to believe it, your mother. You just have to believe it. Because it happened right in front of me. What was I even thinking? What was I even thinking? Huh? Why won't she be having spiritual problems when she's wearing my ring and not today now me another man? Huh? And I mean, a ring given to you by a prince from a little kingdom. How can you wear my ring and be sleeping with another man? It is wrong now. If you want to do something like that, at least have the courtesy of taking off my ring. You can't wear my ring. I like a bag there if you're trying something like that. No wonder she has problems.
I was aware that Senator Nwaneri's son was among the prominent men that have an eye on the princess. But maybe your weakness during her time of trial gave her room to look his direction. Yes. Yes. No.
Mother, why do you always find a way to blame me for everything? Why? Come on now, give me a break. You want me to marry this girl? Yes, I accepted it. I love the girl, I want to marry her. And then I tried, but it didn't work. Her spiritual problems wouldn't let it work. And then you forced me to go back there saying I have to fight her battles with her. I went back to fight the battles, only for me to find out that she already has a man fighting the battles with her. Am I supposed to insult myself? Come on now, give me a break.
Yes, I blame you because if you had done the right thing at the right time, this wouldn't have happened. Yes, I have to blame you.
Fine. Now that you're blaming me, now that things have happened this way, what else do you want me to do?
Are you asking me? Do your wish. Do anything that pleases you. From today, my hands are off your affairs. My hands are off. Yes, I'm off.
What was he looking for in this palace?
Mommy, how can you be asking that? He proposed to me. So, he has every right to be here. Meanwhile, he has taken his ring back, Mommy.
Why is it that anytime you stay with him, he will end up causing you tears, pains, sorrows? Why? Since after your first date with him, you've been crying because of him. And now that someone else has shown up to spice up your life with joy and happiness, he shows up from nowhere with his evil characters.
Mommy, stop.
Don't mommy me. Listen, warn him to stay away from you. I don't want to ever see him anywhere close to you. In fact, I think I'll have to involve your father in this.
No, Mommy, please. I'm begging you, don't tell Daddy. Do not tell Father about this, please. I'm begging you, don't.
Now that he has taken back his engagement ring, I hope he will allow you be. Because any other day I see you crying because of him, I will have no choice than to involve your father. And you know how mean your father can be when it comes to your happiness.
No, Mommy, listen, I won't cry again. I swear. I won't cry again, please.
Better.
Babe.
Yes.
The tone of your voice was too close suspense. What is it that you want to tell me? I'm here now.
My friend, I have a gist for you. Just guess.
You know I'm not good at that. What is it?
Even if you try 10 times to guess, you will not get one.
Okay, tell me. Just tell me. I know.
My father just called me.
Your father?
I will be traveling home tomorrow morning.
This suspense is too much. What is it? Tell me. Well, the suspense is that
I have a lunch for the prince of my kingdom, Prince Obinna.
Prince Obinna.
Yes, dear.
Are you serious?
Yes, my dear.
But I thought you guys are no longer together.
My friend, that is the good news I wanted to share with you. Well, his mom wanted him to get married to one of the princesses from another kingdom. He met her, they fell in love, and that was the end of me.
Maybe the princess hated him and he now forced back on you. Lucky you.
My friend, it was not as if we were dating or we had something serious. We were just trying to know each other then, before they met themselves. Whatever. The prince went to visit my father and asked my father after me and told my father to invite me over for a lunch with him to one of the best restaurants in my area, my girl. I am so happy. Hey! Give me five. Good news. Lucky you.
Thank you.
I am happy for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
When love comes, life is on hold.
Your father is a well-respected member of my late father's cabinet, so I hold him in very high esteem.
You wouldn't have gone through my father. You should have called me yourself. You had my number. What happened?
You're right. I totally accept. I decided to make it official because, I mean, come on, I'm a prince. And at my age, I shouldn't be seen, you know, getting involved in a wishy-washy relationship, hide-and-seek kind of stuff.
Yeah, I understand. We're trying to know each other, so what happened? What went wrong? You stopped calling, you stopped showing care, you stopped showing love. What went wrong?
Okay. Well, I stopped because of certain issues, and because I want to fix those issues, I want to do what I'm about to do right now.
Which is? What you want to do?
Okay, officially now. Would you marry me?
Yes! I'll marry you. Yes, it's a yes. It's a yes. It's a yes. It's a yes. Get married.
Princess Oma is not the one with the problem. I am.
What are you talking about?
Anita did the same thing. First, the sharp pain came. Then she poured her drink on me.
Huh?
I've realized that the problem is with me.
I don't just know what happened to me. What in God's name will make me pour him that drink? Oh God, I'm doomed.
Anita, this your story is strange. I mean, I can't even understand a thing from it. You felt sharp pain in your abdomen. The next thing, you wanted to use the restroom. And then, you poured drink on the prince. This doesn't make sense to me at all. How? How?
It doesn't make sense to me either. After pouring the drink, I found out I poured the drink on the prince who proposed to me. Why?
Why? How? Why?
Okay. Did you go to tell your father afterwards?
No, I didn't. I was embarrassed. I was ashamed. I had to quickly run to the park to pick the nearest bus back home. My friend, who is doing this to me? Someone doesn't want me to get married. Someone doesn't want the prince to get married to me. Someone must have remoted me from his monetary chambers. My friend, what is going on?
Anita, it's okay. You're gonna hurt yourself. Please, it's okay. Stop crying. All hope is not yet lost. The prince can still come back to you. He will understand.
I hope he understands, my friend. I hope he understands. What am I now? Why did you?
Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears. Please. Whatever is yours, okay? No amount of power can take it away from you. You must understand this, okay?
It's not about much of one on. Him! The news is not a pleasing one at all.
Tell us. That was why you were brought to the palace this morning. What is it all about?
The gods have destined your son to die without a wife.
What did he just say? Huh?
All those things are warnings. Any woman that insists on getting married to the prince dies the night of their wedding. What? The prince will remain single for the rest of his life.
What?
Eh? How can the gods decide such? No.
That is his destiny. Predestination is at work, Your Majesty.
How can the gods give such a destiny to a prince? The next king of Ezudo Kingdom. His father just passed on. And his people are waiting for him to get married so that he can be crowned the king. How can they give him such a destiny?
Maybe because they want to take the throne away from him and give it to another, my queen.
What nonsense.
It's not possible.
What rubbish. Arrant nonsense. Did you hear me? Total bullshit. Go and tell those stupid gods of yours that I, Prince Obinna Ezudo, the great-grandson of Okosisi Ezudo, the ancestral monarch of Ezudo community, will not relinquish my throne for anybody. Did you hear me? Never! Rubbish. It's not possible. It cannot work. It will not work with me. I am the prince and I will remain so. It cannot work. Nonsense. What am I even saying? I am done with you. Get your stupid self out of this palace right now. The Omega priest, wait for me to return here.
My son, Obinna! Obinna!
Obuna namu no so, nane magakwe muje ya bife. Obuna mama mu no so, nane magakwe muje ya bife. Obuna kadinne ne magami fasisi me. Ifasisi me maya bona lebu nilisi mwaya. Obuna kadinne ne magami fasisi me. Ifasisi me maya bona lebu nilisi mwaya. Ebe belube. Unalia. Belube.
Calm down first. Huh? Like I've always told you, every problem has a solution.
I agree with you, Mother, completely. But the solution to this problem is not that monkey you brought here that calls himself an Alpha priest. Onya brought the solution. He's a senseless, stupid idiot. I mean, how can he say such a thing? That a prince who is supposed to be a king is destined to die without a wife and a child? Means that the throne will go to another family. What nonsense? Huh? He wouldn't have said such a thing if he was not a stupid person, because it does not happen anywhere.
You are right. What you said is true. But judging from the recent happenings around the girls you have wanted to marry, one can come to conclusion that what the man said is true. Yes.
Excuse me. Excuse me? That what is true? Tell me, Mother, what is true?
Obina, calm down and listen to the breast that fed you. Please.
I'm listening.
Good. You and I know the strange pain and embarrassing moments that transpired each time you were with Princess Oma was not ordinary. And the same thing repeated itself again with Anita the very day you proposed to her. All these things are not ordinary, my son.
I agree with you.
Think.
I'm thinking, Mother. I agree with you. They are not ordinary. We're not contesting that. So what are you saying? Because they are not ordinary, what the Alpha priest said is true? Is that your conclusion?
This is a problem at hand now. What we should be talking about is how to solve the problem. Don't blame the old man. He is just a messenger.
He's not just a messenger. Bro, messenger. He can fool you, but he cannot fool me. He's a 419 man. But total scam. I know they are tight. He's a big fool. Can't get me.
Your Highness, my queen, your food is getting cold.
I will eat when I am hungry.
Your Highness, it's late already.
What is the time?
It's past midnight, my queen.
What? You can go.
Are you still like this?
Babe, you won't understand.
I do. Believe me, I understand perfectly. He didn't call since then, right?
He hasn't called me for 3 days now. What have I done? What have I done to my enemies to treat me like this? Who have I offended to cut short my joy like this? Tell me. Uju, why me? Why me? Why me? Why me?
It's alright. Stop crying. Don't you think you should give him a call?
the right thing to do? Do you think it's the right thing to do?
Yes. A little explanation from you will do the magic. You should tell him that you were actually influenced by an unknown force. You couldn't have poured him a glass of wine just like that. Yes.
Okay. I hope he understands.
He will. Call him.
Stop picking my cause.
You know what? You know what? Stop. You know what? Stop dialing his number, okay? Just get dressed. Let me take you out of this place. Huh? You don't have to remain like this. Go and get dressed. Stand up.
I know you. Mad woman.
Baby, let's run.
Mad woman.
Don't run for him.
Are you sure?
Stay where you are.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Let's leave.
They are dragging you. Mad woman. They are driving you out of your grave. You are busy going into your grave. You're talking about no. Oh yeah. I go now. Go.
Hey. Young man, leave this place now. Now.
She's deceiving you. You don't want to tell her the truth. You're trying to go to that boy. No. You want her to die. Onyala. Mad people. Keep deceiving her. Don't tell her the truth.
You know what? Enough of this. Leave this place now. Go away.
Uju, what was that madman saying?
Oh, the madman?
Yes, the madman.
He was talking like the madman he is. He was saying senseless things which doesn't make sense to me.
But I heard that sometimes madmen say meaningful things in an unmeaningful manner.
So, what could be meaningful about running to your grave? Which grave was he talking about?
That's something I'm confused by. I've been thinking.
Anita, there is absolutely nothing to think about here, okay? I brought you out here so you could cheer up and forget the pains of your last ordeal with Prince Obinna. So, free your mind for every negativity and have peace, at least For now.
Thank you so much, my friend.
What are friends for?
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Put a smile on that face.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm very smiling.
Stop.
Okay, I hear.
Better.
Like it?
Very nice. So tell me, what is the surprise package?
Okay. First of all, I want you to close your eyes.
I should shut my eyes?
Yes.
But why?
Please, just for some seconds. And then I will unleash the package.
George, must you do that?
Please. Just 5 seconds.
Fine, I will. I have done that.
Are your eyes closed?
They are closed.
Can you see me?
No.
Alright.
Can I open it now?
Hold on a bit. Alright. You can open your eyes now. Tanam. Please. My love. I want you to be the mother of my unborn kids. Please. I want you to be the queen of my kingdom. And also the queen of my heart. I cherish you so much like a diamond. And I want you to be with me for the rest of my life. Please, my love. Please, my love.
Aren't you so fast? I mean, it's not been long we met. Just a month ago. And you're already proposing to me?
My love, it doesn't matter. In fact, I have been your secret admirer. Yes. I've been following you up on Instagram. I've been seeing your pictures even when you were away. I was seeing everything that was going on.
George, please. Enough already. Listen, you have to calm down. Marriage is not something you rush into. It doesn't work like that. You have to give me time. I need time to think about this. Please. Please.
Okay, no problem. So I should just hold on.
Yes, time is all I seek. Time.
Okay, my princess. I'll just wait for you.
My princess, I think you did the right thing. You really need some time. He's too fast, and this decision is an eternal one. It's not something one jumps into.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Uluma, my princess.
What's your view on this?
I think I have a different view on this.
Go ahead, let it out. I'm all ears.
Since your relationship with Prince Obinna has ended the way it did, I don't see anything wrong in accepting his proposal. 1 month might be too short, but it's long enough to say yes to a man that you love.
But I don't love him. I don't love him yet. The truth still remains that my heart still belongs to Prince Obinna. I love him so much. You can't believe that each time I lay on my bed, his thought overshadows me. He has eaten so much into me.
But he doesn't feel the same way for you.
He does. I know my Prince Obi very well. All this drama started when we met face to face. I knew how it was all the while I've been abroad. We cared for each other. We loved each other so much. We built something very strong. I know that he wouldn't just let everything, all the beautiful moments we shared together to shatter just like that. I know he would definitely come back to me. I know he will.
But what about the mysterious pains and series of embarrassments you used to have whenever you're with him?
That is the only barrier between our relationship. And it hurts me. Believe me, it hurts me so deeply. If not for all this, by now we should be talking about our royal wedding. But no, it's not happening just because of all this. But I believe so much in love. We love each other. And I know that love conquers all. We shall overcome.
My princess, your happiness is my priority. You're such a beautiful soul with a heart of gold.
My princess, I really wish well for you. Just look at the way you're crying. You're so beautiful. You can't be going through this. Everything will be alright, okay? Just calm down. Everything will be well with you. My princess, everything will be alright. Like you said, we shall overcome all. Just be calm, okay? Don't stress yourself too much. See how beautiful you are. You're looking all stressed up. Everything will be fine, my princess.
Thank you. An old woman was given a child, and she complained of her missing teeth. Did they give her the child for a dinner? A hen left her chicks behind in pursuit of a peacock as her prey, leaving the chicks behind. Did she forget that the kite might be perching on the branch?
Mr. Richard, please go straight and tell me the reason for this meeting. And stop speaking riddles to me.
Your Majesty, I will help my fellow the title holder.
Go ahead, Mr. Simon.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty, we members of your late husband's Igwe Council, we sat over happenings in this kingdom and we decided to come and inquire from you. What is the problem? Yes. Let us also know if the clipper is not sharp or the barber is a bad workman.
Exactly.
I don't get you yet. I don't get it.
It's all right. Your Majesty, you are supposed to be the custodian of our royal mantle for a period of time. After the death of your husband. Until your son gets married. But as it is, nothing has been said about your son getting married. And it is 6 months already.
6 months. 6 good months. This kingdom has been without a king. It is not funny. It is not funny.
My elders have heard you. My son and I are not sleeping over the matter. I promise you will hear from us soon. Yes, soon.
We the elders have decided we are giving you and your son 1 month to do the needful. The throne of this kingdom cannot remain vacant. An elder cannot be at home and what the she-goat deliver in theater.
Your Majesty, 1 month.
1 month.
I've heard you, my elders. Like I said, you will hear from us soon. There's no problem. I've heard you. They gave us 1 month to sort this. 1 month. And I knew they wouldn't keep quiet for a long time. That was why I was pushing you.
But I was responding. I was responding. It's not my fault at all. You will not blame me. If not for the issues that came up, I would have been married to Princess Oma by now. So don't blame me. I was doing my best.
Now what do we do? Considering what the Alpha priest said, what are we going to do now?
Mother, I told you before, Rapueha Alpha priest in Ikwili was talking total rubbish. You were there on that day. I challenged him. I told him it's not possible. I mean, I'm a prince. If I cannot get married, I can't have a child. That means I cannot become a king. I told him it's not possible. So don't bother yourself. I'm getting married before the end of 1 month. Okay? The throne of my fathers will protect me. There is no way the throne of my fathers will be left vacant. It's not possible.
Wait, you are getting married to who?
To Oma. Princess Oma. The love of my life.
Huh?
Yes.
I thought you said you caught her with a man.
Leave that for us.
Obina, what if she dies? According to the Alpha priest.
Leave that for us too.
Oh. Okay. Hands up. Do as it pleases you. Do whatever you wish. Okay?
Life is hard when love comes, when love shows up. Iga maraba, nike dini hunanya. Iga mataba, nike dini hunanya. Ethic line between love and hate, but I choose love. It's like I'm crashing. What will I do?
I can see you are happy. Oh yes, I am. Where are you coming from?
Oh, from the palace.
From the palace?
Yes. Have you forgotten we were asked to meet the queen based on his son's attitude towards the vacant throne?
Oh. You and Izzy Richard?
Oh, yes.
You have, at least, you have succeeded in helping him to achieve his goal.
What are you talking about?
Are you a stranger? Didn't you see how he has been at the forefront of the matter? That the prince should be made to marry to ascend his late father's throne?
But that is true. Is it not right?
I am not saying it is not right.
So what are you saying? Why are you... Wait. Why are you crying foul over this? Why?
Why? It seems you don't understand. Are you a stranger? Have you forgotten that his daughter who lives in Umuahia is supposed to be the bride to the prince? But the relationship between the two of them is not working out well. So the prince has gone to look for another bride for himself, leaving his daughter. Izzy Richards is not happy with this. That is why he wants to put the queen and the prince in a fix, so that the prince will be forced to marry his daughter. That is the reason behind the 1 month ultimatum.
Wait. Nzigi.
Yes?
Do you know I don't even know anything about what you've just said?
Oh.
Hey!
There you are. But me, I know his mind. The throne has been vacant, quite true, but he is taking undue advantage of the situation to get a place, or do I say to secure a place for his daughter at the palace. That is why he wants the prince to be forced to marry within a month, because he knows that the prince cannot get any other alternative within that period.
Why? Hey, it's okay. Do you know that people could be mischievous.
Hey! At least he has succeeded. We are watching.
All the same, the throne won't be vacant anymore. Let me go home.
It's all right. Let me see my sister-in-law.
So,
He's here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
It's like I'm crazy. What will I do to be with the one I love? What will I do to be with the one? Tell me what will I do to be with the
Hello, Dad. Good evening.
Hello, good evening. How are you, my daughter?
Daddy, I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm good. I hope you have stopped crying.
Daddy, I'm fine, I'm better. I'm good.
Oh, that's my daughter. You see, I was in Council of Elders meeting yesterday, and I raised the dust, suggesting that the prince should get married within the next 30 days. Failure to do so, he will lose his priestship to another person in this kingdom. I know within this period of 1 month, he cannot find another bride in such a space of time. You now not have any other option than to trace his step back to you. That's why I look at it.
Thank you so much, Daddy. I am so happy to hear this. This is a good news. Thank you.
Oh, don't mention that, because I will keep on trying until you are there in the palace as the queen of this kingdom.
Daddy, I trust you. I do trust you. Thank you. Love you, Daddy. Love you so much. Love you.
Oh, only what I need from you is to keep praying, keep on working hard, so that God will actually accomplish the thing at the end of the day.
All right. Amen, Daddy. Thank you for calling. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's coming.
My princess, he's here.
Who? George?
No, guess.
Who? Talk.
Prince Obinna is here.
It's not true. He's here?
He's here, my princess.
Are you sure?
He's downstairs, my princess.
You're not lying to me?
Very sure, my princess. Serious.
How do I look? Do I need powder on my face?
Yes, just a little.
Oh, okay, fine.
You are no longer welcome in this palace. My daughter ought to have told you by now. I don't want to see you anywhere around this palace or anywhere around my daughter. All the time you were with her, it's been from one terrible situation to another for her. She kept crying because of you. And now she is happy, living a normal life of a princess. And here you are, trying to take her back to tears. No. And I wouldn't want to repeat myself about this.
Your Majesty, let me remind you, just in case you've forgotten, you are talking to a royal blood.
Royal blood, my foot. Go to your kingdom and exercise your royal powers. This is my kingdom.
What's going on here? Hey, wait. How are you, babe?
Stay out of this.
Mommy, what is wrong? Are you okay? What? Why are you shouting at him? No, go. You're not going anywhere. What is going on? Mommy! Hey, babe!
Mama, come back here! Come back here!
Mommy, this is not happening! What have you done?
I did it for you. You deserve to be happy.
You know nothing about my happiness. You know nothing about my joy. Because if you did, you wouldn't have sent the only man that means the whole world to me away, Mother! Why do you have to do this?
What are you talking about? He has cost you nothing but troubles!
He cost me troubles because I love him.
He caused me troubles because he is the only man I have ever loved. My heart yearns for him every morning, night and day, and you know it. The only trouble you said he caused me was the fact that I've always wanted to be with him, but something has been stopping me from being with the man I love. I have been angry all this while. I've been crying. Not because of the embarrassment I faced, but because the embarrassment cost me the chance of being with the man I truly love. Mommy, you know that I love Prince Obinna with every breath in me. You know that. And you just chased him away? He came here and you had the guts to ask him to leave?
Let him go.
Why would you do that to me? You have no right to do that to me. For this singular act of yours, mother, I will never forgive you unless you go and apologize to him and bring him back. If not, do not ever talk to me.
Oma! Oma! Let me see you around my palace. Oma!
My princess, I understand how hurt you feel, but you just have to forgive the queen. She's your mother. No matter what she does to you, she will still remain your mother. Nothing will change that. Just forgive her. Yes, my princess. She wants the best for you. In her innocent ignorance, she thought she was doing you a favor. She thought she was securing your happiness. Please forgive her, my princess. Please.
Never. Because when I was talking to her, she couldn't give me a listening ear until she perfected her evil plan. I pleaded with my mother, but she wouldn't listen to me. Why would she do a thing like that? Listen, I do not want you to ever beg me again. Before I will forgive my mother, she has to go to Ezudo Palace, apologize to the prince and bring him back. If not, I will never forgive my mother. And I will never forget this. Not in my life. I will not. What's all this? Don't tell me that. Please, just go, just go away, go! Go! Get out! I pleaded, she wouldn't listen to me.
I hope your father's plan works out.
I believe it will work. There's no way the prince will get another wife in less than a month. It's not possible.
Don't even say that. Have you forgotten that he's a prince? Even in 3 days, he can get himself a wife of his choice. Let's just pray he gets over what happened and comes back to you.
Guess what? Talk about it, Dev.
Prince Obinna.
Yes.
Unbelievable.
Calm down, it's your... Hello, my Prince Charming. I am fine, thank you. And how are you doing? My prince is not like that. I am very sorry for everything that happened. Please forgive me. I was just ashamed of myself. That's why I haven't called others why. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I'm happy. Okay, I'll be there. I promise to be there, yes. Thank you for giving me another chance. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Yes! Yes!
What did you say?
Take it easy. What did he say? The prince has invited me to the palace tomorrow. And wait! Okay. Calm down, why? And he has forgiven me and given me another chance. Oh my God, I'm so happy. So fast. Yes! I'm so happy. I am so happy for you. I am happy for myself.
I was doing this the other time and a lot of things happened and I didn't get to complete it. So I want to start again and finish it right now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
The pain?
Yeah, pain.
Don't worry about it, you'll be fine.
Can I use the restroom?
No problem. You'll be fine. It's not me. I'm here with you, huh?
Okay.
It's okay. Don't worry. Don't bother yourself. I'm here to help you. It's alright. It's alright. Don't worry. Huh? Don't worry. Huh? Okay? Don't feel embarrassed. I'm here. It's alright. Huh? I didn't mean like that. Don't worry. You still want to use the restroom? You're cool? Anything you need, I'm here. Okay? You're my wife.
Thank you so much. Yes, girl. We are getting married in 2 weeks. Please let me see. Take a look. Wow. This calls for celebration, you know. Thank you. This is nice. Oh, thanks to my father. He really put so much effort in this. Thank God. I am so happy for you. Thank you, my friend. Ah, finally. Thank you. Thank you. But something strange happened. And what could that be? That same pain I feel in my abdomen came again when the prince was telling me about marriage. I wanted to use the restroom like the first time. But before I could just say Jack, my zip went down. My zip went down as if somebody was trying to strip me naked. Jesus Christ. I was embarrassed. But I was also surprised. I was surprised about the way the prince handled the issue. All what he said to me was, don't worry, you'll be fine. Don't worry, you'll be okay. That was just what he said. You're trying to tell me that your zip went down? Yes, my zip went down as if someone wanted to strip me naked. Are you sure it wasn't the prince? No, never. The prince didn't even touch me. I didn't. This is a bad sign. Yes. Don't worry. Whoever that did that has failed. They wanted to make the prince suspect and abandon you again. But this time, their plan has failed woefully. My girl, their plan really failed woefully because I am getting married in 2 weeks, girl. I am getting married. She's getting married. Please. Where's my champagne? Which champagne? Please, I'm not getting married. Hey. It's time to pop some bottles, you know. It's my wedding, girl, not your wedding. Boys, for my... Yeah, it's our wedding. Pop,
Please.
I just have to get high on things. Getting married.
You can't continue with the marriage plans.
Why? Tell me, mother. Why? The council of elders are worried. I need to ascend the throne. We cannot keep them waiting. They gave us just 1 month. Come Come on now, you expect me to keep them waiting?
You should be concerned about someone's daughter that is going to meet her untimely death on the day of your marriage.
Mother, nothing like that will happen. In any case, that's your problem. I mean, you actually believe that monkey, that old fool you brought in here as an Afa priest.
Yes, I believed him. I believed him. Because the whole signs are pointing towards that direction. Okay, just the last time your new bride visited here, that same old sharp pain came up and her clothes went down. If what the Afa priest said is not true, tell me, explain to me the meaning of those regular occurrences each time you are with a girl you want to marry. Explain to me.
Well, I may not be able to explain it. But one thing I know for sure is that the gods will not, for whatever reason, destine me to die without getting married or without having a child. So that the throne of my father will go to another family. I mean, why? To gain what? Tell me. It's not possible now.
Obinna, I suggest we cancel that marriage plans. Yes, and get this problem solved once and for all. In order not to kill someone's daughter with your ill fate.
Excuse me. Excuse me, mother. I do not have an ill fate. Get it? Huh? You're not even thinking about... Let me show you another side to this. Mother, we have enemies in this kingdom. There are families that hated my late father so much. There are families in this kingdom that would give anything to make sure I do not sit on that throne as king. There are families who would do anything to make sure they don't see me become king in this kingdom. And I believe they have planned with that monkey you call an Afa priest. So you know what, mother? I am going to prove them wrong. I will get married. And that is final.
This can be true. This is not happening. Prince Obinna getting married? No. No.
I don't like this. I don't like it one bit.
My king, I did what I did in her interest. You're not ignorant of the pains and misery she went through each time she was with that boy. I had to end it so that she can be forced to live a normal life. She can live a free and happy life.
But she appears not to be happy now. Her present state is...
Where is she? Hi, God. Deliver me from my little girl's trouble. Please.
You have achieved your plans, right? You are happy now, aren't you?
Please, my princess, calm down.
Father, please, do not tell me to calm down. She chased away the only man that I love. Now he's getting married this weekend and you're telling me to calm down?
What?
My
so fast?
My daughter, honestly speaking, I mean well for you. Believe me.
Don't tell me that! You don't mean well for me. As a matter of fact, you have never meant well for me. What kind of a mother are you? Why are you the enemy of my soul? Why do you hate me so much, mother? Why?
Stop that, Oma. Your mother and I love you so much. That guy was only causing you so much tears.
Yes. The relationship was not working, so I had to end it.
You don't have that right! You don't have any right whatsoever to chase away the only man that means the whole world to me. You don't, mother. You don't. Look at what you have. Look at the mess you have left in me. What did I do to you? What? Now let me tell you, mother. From today henceforth, you have lost the right to be called my mother. I am not your daughter. Don't ever in your life come close to me. I hate you and I hate everything you represent. I
hate you. My king, please do something. We are losing her, please.
No. Let her be. She will stick
get back to her senses. Time, they say, is the greatest healer. So come on.
I hope so. I really do.
Life is hard. When love comes, when love shows up, Iga Marama, Nikedini Hunanya, Iga Matawe, Nikedini Hunanya. Ethic line between love and hate.
You're looking good. Kichi, we're just managing. You know, village life is not easy, my sister. It's not easy at all. We're managing.
My friend, I understand. I don't have your number. I would have called you.
Please say something else. I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone?
I don't.
Nkechi, you don't have a phone?
I don't have a phone at all.
Anyway, let me give you one gist. I am getting married in 2 weeks' time to the prince.
Anita! I'm so happy for you, my sister. I'm so happy.
Thank you so much. So I want you to be among my bridal train. So the material is in my bag. Come, let's go to the house. Let me give you my material.
Anita, I heard about your marriage ceremony, but don't worry. Where I'm going to is very, very important.
Very important.
But when I come to the house, you for sure come and collect my own. And what is inside this bag? I'm coming.
Come to the house and collect your own. Come and collect your material. Don't miss my wedding. If you miss my wedding, my girl.
I'm very happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm going to collect what's inside that bag.
I know. I'm waiting for you in the house.
Kichi, my darling. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
I was actually trying to talk to your friend. Hello, how are you?
Anita, what are you?
Hello.
Hi.
I'm fine.
Wow. You live in this kingdom?
Yes, I do.
Wow. So we actually have pretty ladies in this kingdom. Wow, this is good. Anyways, my name is AGK and I live around.
My name is Anita.
Anita, wonderful name. It's a pleasure, Anita.
Nice to meet you.
The name rings a bell. Anita. Who's your father?
My
Anita,
father.
see, I can't stand there and wait for both of you to finish talking. You know what then? I'm going. Please, I want to go.
Hey, come on.
Wait for me.
Hello. Hey, tell me gotten to that. It's fine, it's fine. No, it's alright. I need to start with this. Bye. Take care, please.
Who is there?
Papa, good morning.
Nkechi.
Papa, good morning.
Good morning. You are here.
Yes, I'm fine. Is Anita in?
Anita.
Yes,
Did she tell you?
no, she didn't tell me anything.
She's now living in the city. Mwahia, to be precise.
Okay, Papa.
I thought she told me. Told you.
No, she didn't tell me anything, Papa.
Oh, my daughter. Maybe she forgot.
No problem, Papa.
All right. Huh? All right.
Let me be going now.
Okay.
All right.
You done so well, eh?
All right, thanks, Papa.
All right.
Now she's getting married to the prince. The gods must be very partial.
How are you, Dad?
I'm fine.
Ah.
Why are you like this? You came on foot?
Daddy, I came with a bag. I saw my friend on the way, so I stopped by to give her a message across.
Oh, I thought as much.
How are you?
I'm very fine, as you can see.
You're looking good.
Yes, and that's my queen. My queen to be.
Yes, Daddy. Say that again. Say that again.
Let me go, huh? I'm coming soon.
Take care of yourself. Be careful.
Okay, I will.
Be careful.
I will.
See you soon.
All right.
Bye, Daddy.
Mr. Richard.
Yes. Take as much as you can.
I can see you are happy.
I am the happiest person in this kingdom today.
You planned it so well. Your daughter will soon be the queen of this kingdom.
You are there. What else will make somebody happy than your daughter want to become the queen of a big kingdom like ours?
Let me deal with this one.
Please, finish and take more. There are lots in the house there. Food, drink. Go ahead.
Now you can talk to me.
Yes. Drink as much as you can. There is...
My
daughters. How are you?
How are you?
Well, where is Anita and the others?
Oh, they are in the backyard. Please, join them.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Ndo?
Mr. Richard, they have just come to prepare the food, the soup, and every other thing.
This is just the tip of the iceberg. They are here and so many of them are there cooking, baking, doing all kind of...
I can't wait to...
if you need food to drink.
Eh?
Don't worry. Much to cook, much to eat, much to drink. I told you I'm very ready.
Hey!
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 Hey! Hey!
Iṣẹ́ Richard. Iṣẹ́ Simon.
You are welcome.
You people are drinking already.
Please join the drinking.
Who are we waiting?
If you need food, anything you need, I will call for it from the backyard and you get it.
Mr. Richard, you planned it well and it came out good.
How?
So, when we were at the council meeting and you were insisting that the prince must be given an ultimatum to marry within the next 1 month, little did we know that will come out in your favor.
The throne cannot be vacant for longer than expected. Somebody has to be there and somebody must only be there. So it was not a matter of plan. Somebody has to be on the throne there.
Anyway. Listen, Mr. Richard. Whether you plan it or not, it's not my headache. You are right. But let me also say this. My happiness is that from tomorrow, that throne will not and will never be vacant again.
Thank you, Ichesam. Do you hear him? What? That throne cannot be vacant for longer than expected. Somebody has to occupy the throne.
Here, Richard, let me deal with this thing. I cannot remember the last time I had this kind of palm wine.
Can you hear that from me?
Look at
When love comes, life is on hold. When love comes, when love shows up, he can never, he can be he can meet a bird, he can be
With all of my warnings, you went ahead and married yourself a wife. Who told you you're allowed to have another bride? You have just one bride, and that is me. You can have as many maidens as you wish, but not to marry any of them, because your body and your soul belong to me. Walk all through your days on earth alone, and return to where you belong. My arms.
You lie. Did you hear me? I said you lie. I do not belong to you. You cannot say I will not have a wife and children. It's not possible. I do not belong to you. Let me be. Leave me alone. Let me be. 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 No, let me be. Let me be. I do not belong to you. Let me be. Anita. Jesus. She's cold. Anita. Anita.
There is fire on the mountain. Run, run, run.
Okay. Where am I running to and what is happening? Tell me now, say it.
Your friend, Anita, is dead.
Okay. Which Anita are you talking about?
How many Anita do you have as a friend? The one that married the prince.
Okay, I'm not sure of this at all. Are you sure it's my Anita?
I am telling you that I am very, very sure of what I'm saying. In fact, everybody is running to the palace. She died last night.
Anita!
I promise.
What does happen to Anita, my friend? What did this happen? I'm running to the palace now. I'm running. Let me start going there. Let me start going. You know what happened to my friend?
I only get to tell you.
Hey! Hey! Abokasi J, my word has ended. My word has ended all of a sudden. Hey, who would have thought Anita would have died like this? Who would have thought so? Who? I'm dead. I'm gone. Hey.
It's alright, Richard. Calm down. It is sad death does not count calendar. Please calm yourself down. This is not the end of life. Please.
It is so. It is so. It is so. My word has ended. Anita, my gold, my everything, my all is gone. Hey, Anita, Anita. Oh God. Hey.
Elders of Ezudo, what do we do now? What is the next step to take?
Her burial shall be fixed as soon as possible. My prince, you will mourn her for 30 days. After 30 days, you will show us your new bride. For you cannot be crowned as the next king of this great kingdom as a bachelor. Your father's throne cannot remain vacant. It is not possible.
So this time my daughter will be forgotten. My precious daughter. This time is going to be forgotten. Hey. Something has happened to me. Something had happened to me. Oh.
Abomination. Ichegib. This is mysterious. What has happened now has never happened in the history of Ezudo Kingdom.
Hi. Where will the wife
of the prince die the very night of our marriage. This is not ordinary.
Listen, even the best man in this land knows it is not ordinary. The gods of our land is aware of it.
The question now is, why will the gods allow the next queen of Izudo kingdom die? Why?
For your information, there are questions that are too big for mortal lips to ask. Let us not ask our maker questions.
Unknown, we should come. We wait and watch. But what is hidden will come out someday.
Ogucha. Ogucha.
Mother, seeing Princess Morgana has been showing up in my dreams from time to time. I never bothered to find out who she is or think deeply about it because, you know, it's only in my dreams. Not until last night. That was when I realized that there is more to this than meets the eye. So I'm asking, Mother, who is Princess Morgana?
Princess Morgana? I don't know of any Princess Morgana, both past and present. The name sounds so strange to me. This is the first time I'm hearing such a name. Princess Morgana.
I believe that finding out who Princess Morgana is will mark the end of this problem.
Yes. Yes, I believe so. And the findings begins now. There's no point of any delay, any form of delay. We have to start now.
You're right, Mother.
Yes.
Delay is dangerous. And we can only start by asking the same question. Who is Princess Morgana?
Who is this Princess Morgana? Who?
You have writing on the wall. My best friend is gone forever. The madman was warning us, but we couldn't understand. Hey! Hey! I'm so sorry, my dear friend. I couldn't see it coming. I couldn't see it coming. I'm so sorry. Anita is gone. Anita is gone forever. Anita.
The wise one. I have slept and thought over it. That the death of my daughter is not ordinary. How can a woman who has no illness, not even common headache, die a night of her wedding? I think her death is not ordinary. Either somebody strangled her to death that night, or people projected death to her. People do not like her to become the next queen of this kingdom. Please, wise one, I'm just a mere mortal. Help me find out what killed my daughter. Please.
Ngana we gwemeri venyere nno. Ngene go sunege mo. Ngene go gbara n'usoro ovia. Ovia avia na No one killed your daughter. Your daughter killed herself.
How?
The prince has an evil destiny to die without a wife. Any woman he marries dies the night of their wedding. The gods want your daughter, but your daughter refused to listen because she wanted to be the queen of this kingdom. Despite the signs and warnings the gods gave to her, she refused. That was what brought her death. Go and console yourself.
It's been 5 days now. I have not set eyes on my daughter. Not even to have dinner together as a royal family. I am no longer comfortable with it.
Your Majesty, I am more worried than you are. My daughter now sees me as an enemy. What I did it for her happiness and joy. But she is using it against me. Your Majesty, please. I want you to speak to her. I believe she will listen to you. Good. Akweze, go and call Princess Oma. Tell her that the king requests her presence immediately.
My queen, I came to make a report to you.
Go and do what I say you should do first.
It's about the princess, my queen.
What about the princess?
It's exactly 5 days now that she locked herself up in her room and wouldn't let anyone in. She's been there without food nor water.
What?
What?
My daughter?
And you still have not told anyone.
My queen, we've been begging her to open the door for us, but she wouldn't listen, so I decided to involve you people in this.
What madness?
Opened it yet? Open this door. Alma! Alma, open this door!
I will do no such thing. I will remain here till I die.
Hey, my princess, please don't do this to us. Open for your father.
He sent away the love of my life. Now he's married to someone else. I will never forgive you for this. I will not.
Okay, alright. I will go and apologize to him. Open for your father first.
It's late already. He's married to someone else now. I have lost him. And I promise you, Father, very soon you will lose me. You will.
Get me the guards. Get me a guard. We have to force this door open.
Yes, my king. Guards! Guards!
My king, your daughter has a psychological problem and will need a psychological help, else she will die of depression.
Hey! Hey! And how can we give her this psychological help?
Well, I am not a psychologist. I am a physician. I recommend you take her to a psychologist.
Where can I find one?
Your Majesty, as a trained psychologist, it is my responsibility to make you see things from a lucid perspective. You see, here in Africa, people grow up in very harsh conditions. These conditions could be physical, could be mental, could be psychological, could be spiritual, could be economic, could be academic, just name it. Now, at the point, people tend to develop a form of resistance, a kind of a thick skin to these adverse conditions. But over there, where everything seems to be rosy, where life is almost in a very perfect state, little things make people slide into depression. Your daughter was raised abroad. At the moment, she's depressed. And if nothing is done about it, she might lose her sanity or even her life.
God forbid.
What should we do to her? What is the best way to return her to normalcy?
Well, where is the young man in question?
He is now married. That is the problem we are having.
I see. Your Majesty, this issue could have been averted. Parents should learn to allow their children marry who they love.
It's not like we forced her to reject the young man in question. No, we didn't. We allowed them. In fact, we were even making plans for their wedding. But you see, each time they spend time together, she will come back home crying, feeling very unhappy. Yet, she still wants to see the young man. I had to send the young man away in order to save my daughter's life and stop her from crying all the time.
I tell you something, love works that way.
But what is the remedy?
Yes.
Well, Your Majesty, there is nothing much we can do. But I suggest you find a way to invite the young man. Let him come around. Perhaps her seeing him will make her get better. That's my humble opinion.
I know you must be very surprised at this call.
Of course I'm surprised. After insulting me in your palace, I wonder what you're doing here.
I came to apologize to you for humiliating and talking to you in that manner. Please, I am sorry. Forgive me.
Trust.
Obina, you need to forgive me to save the life of the one you once loved. I know both of you were in love with each other. Whatever it is that usually causes problems between the two of you could not deny the fact that you were in love with each other. After that day that I sent you out of my palace, my daughter has never forgiven me. As I speak to you right now, she is in a psychiatric hospital. The news of your marriage got her so depressed that she tried taking her life. Please, we need you to come and visit her, even if it is for a little while. The doctor said she'll be fine if you do.
Please, do not leave me. Don't leave me again, please. I can't stay without you. Please.
I will not leave you. I promise.
But you did. You left me. You left me and got married to another woman. After all the love we shared. You never thought about it. Obina, you stole my heart. My love for you was unconditional. I was shattered. I know. I knew there were forces fighting for us not to end up as husband and wife. I also know that so many other people do not want us to be together. But I expected you to stand by me. I expected you to fight those forces and be with me. But no, you never did. You joined the forces and made my life miserable. Obina, you finished me. You, my mother, you left me to die. You never cared about me. This wasn't what you promised me, you know.
Forces are stronger than you think. We cannot be together.
How do you mean?
At first I never believed it until it happened.
What happened?
I have an evil destiny. I'm destined never to get married or have a child. Those signs that kept on occurring each time we were together were actually warnings from the spiritual world. Believe me, if we had gotten married, you'd be dead by now.
I mean, what are you talking about? I don't understand.
After I left you, I reunited with my ex-girlfriend. I proposed to her and she accepted. Then, the signs occurred again. We inquired further and the Alpha priest said that I have an evil destiny. That any woman I get married to will die on our wedding night. And it sounded so crazy to me. And I challenged him. And I asked her, how can you say such a thing to me? Is that possible? What are you saying? I mean, I'm a prince. If I can't get married and I can't have a child, that means I cannot be king. I never believed it. I pushed it aside. I went ahead and got married to her. On the night of our wedding, she she died.
What? What?
I've accepted my fate. I don't want to get married to any other woman. Then she dies and I'll be responsible for it. I've accepted my fate.
Princess Morgana?
Yes, Princess Morgana. I used to see her in my dreams, but I never bothered to find out who she is until the last time I saw her. She told me that I belong to her, that no mortal can take me away from her. And then I challenged her, only for me to wake up and find my wife dead by my side.
This is mind-blowing. It's like a fairy tale.
My dear, it's real. I never believed it until it happened. And it did happen.
I'm sorry about the loss. But listen to me, baby. Look at me. Do not be scared. Do not accept any evil destiny. It's not yours. You cannot remain a bachelor for the rest of your life. You have a better life ahead of you. Okay? Whatever the case may be, love conquers all. You belong to me. Me alone. Nobody is going to take you away from me. Baby, our love will conquer everything. Our love is strong. Our love is genuine. Our love is unique. It is very pure. It can conquer anything, baby. And I believe it will conquer this. I do not want you to lose hope yet. Everything will be fine. We will fight and we will win.
How do you fight something that is invisible?
I don't know however it's going to be, but I believe so much. I believe so much in my heart that we will conquer this. Okay? Please, babes.
I don't know what to believe anymore.
Please, calm down.
I must thank you for everything. My daughter is normal now. She's even happy as I speak with you.
Your Majesty, that is why I am here. I'm just doing my job.
And I must add that you are doing it well. Please keep up the great job.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I want to inform you that we'll be going home with her this morning.
Oh, that's good. No problem.
Okay. And I have given instruction that a token of appreciation is transferred to your account. I know you shall receive the alert shortly.
I appreciate Your Majesty. Thank you for your kind gesture.
Good. You are a great man.
Who are you?
My name is Princess Morgana, the rightful owner of the man you're in love with. Nothing stops me from taking your life here and now for trespassing with my man. But you are a jolly good fellow, an excellent spirit with an understanding heart. I will not harm you. The next time I see you with my man, I will not wait for your wedding night. I will kill you at once. Stay away from my man. I am a jealous lover. I cannot even share my man with a spirit, let more a mere mortal. You have been warned. Stay away from my Prince Charming.
Who amongst you kept my jewel box last night?
I did, Your Majesty.
And my purse?
My queen, you gave that to me as soon as you returned.
Princess Morgana? The same maiden that has been tormenting me all this while? The same one that never wanted Prince Obinna and I to get married? She was here! She was right there!
Calm down, my daughter. But nobody crossed this gate. Or did you see anybody?
No, my queen, But I'm telling you that she was here! There's nobody here. She appeared to me! She was right in front of me! She came in through the wall! Mommy, she was there! God! She's there! I'm talking here! Telling you the truth, I'm telling you that she was here! God! Get out of that gate! Get away! Get away! Oh! No. Please, untie me. There is nothing wrong with me. I'm telling you the truth. I saw her with my 2 eyes. She came out through the walls. She came to me, and I took off. And I came to your mother. I'm telling you the truth. Nothing is wrong with me. Untie me, please.
Hey. What kind of temptation is this morning? What kind of love is this?
Father, why don't you believe me? There is nothing wrong with me. I'm telling you the truth. I saw her. She appeared to me. And then I took off. I came to mother. Uloma, tell mother. I believe she will listen to you. I am fine, please. Untie me.
My king, if only you will let me. I know of someone who will be of help to the princess.
Then what are you waiting for? Fetch him immediately.
I don't have any problem. You don't understand. Even if she doesn't understand, I believe you will understand. Tell them I'm alright. There's nothing wrong with me.
King Abali just called me right now. He says the daughter is in a bad state. My presence is needed at their palace.
Hey, again?
I'm back soon.
Hi.
Libaka Shilamande, Leko Sopra, Kilabo Shalaba, Telefina, Kalibayada. Seli Pradu Shaka, Mandele Kusilada, Shapateko Shilamante, Kilanosha. Zarabo Shilabaya, Digarano Soparan, Dikalo Shipradiga, Ladadu Shalamande, Katus Kilade Shalama. Zefranuku Bayan Dialikado Shabar, Ranianda Tokuzulian de Bari Kadada, Shulamante Kuziana, Likibarundi Kabasulaka, Shalamandi Karonde Kazilibayan de Lekuzalaha. Barende le Kusilamande, Kushila Ande le Kosia, Ligadaski Pradumandi la Nakasola Giga Hayadesha. Libra kuzila mandele le kusu pradila na kashila nunte pradika zila naya likadoshi la mantele kuza radiga boshi pranila na tazila nushi paranukia la mandele geza ledu shabaya ladu shaparanuka barani kadozia liga bu shaparanika batu shila ni daragabayala zarudi gabara na nushi kabala kataliga reagazia la mandele kuzia bate kuzia. Thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Jesus. Amen. There is nothing wrong with her.
Eh?
She is free. She is sane.
Thank you. Eh?
Yeah, Princess Morgana is real.
What?
She is.
You know her?
Yeah. You have to go to your mother. Ask her the circumstances surrounding your birth. Then you shall be free to live your normal life.
My mother?
Yes, she has something to tell you.
I said it that nothing is wrong with me, but you wouldn't listen. Please, can someone untie me?
Please, let her be.
Untie me, please.
Yes, Pastor, please.
Guards!
Please!
Guards! Guards! Hey, my daughter.
Mother, I demand to know everything you know concerning my birth.
What's going on?
Mother, please just tell me everything you know about my birth. As it stands now, you're the only one who can help me regain my freedom from this torment. Listen.
Your Majesty, I am sure you wouldn't want to lose your son.
No.
You wouldn't want him to continue in this condition and die in it. Because as it stands now, only the truth can set him free.
It's all coming back to me.
My queen, I need not remind you of the custom and tradition of this kingdom. If after 3 years of marriage between the queen and the king, and the queen is not able to give the king the male child, the queen will be definitely banished, and the king shall get himself a new wife.
I am a full daughter of the soil. I'm aware of that, my king.
I love you so much, my queen. I wish I could help in this situation, but I have to respect the custom and tradition of this kingdom because it has been in existence even before I was born. Please, if you know the gods you serve, call upon thee in this time of distress.
No problem. I will give you a child, a son. That I am assuring you of. Okay?
With a series of tests run on you, it shows that you're perfect. Nothing is wrong with you, and you are in a very perfect condition to put to birth.
But doctor, since I got married, I haven't put to bed.
Then I think you should invite your husband over for his own fertility test. It's obvious the problem is from him.
My husband is a king. You dare not say such to him.
My dear, if you need a scientific solution to your problem, then you have to invite your husband over for his test to ascertain the problem and the possible remedy to it. But if he insists to be a core traditionalist, then you have to go back to your village and seek your chief priest solution, not here.
Okay, no problem, thank you. Mama, I don't know what to do again. I'm tired. I'm tired.
My daughter, the doctor might be right. What he said might be right. I don't doubt him. This is Africa. There may come a time in future when we shall be fully civilized to a new modern way of life. But my daughter, it is a taboo, a very big taboo for you to stand before the king and say such words in his ears. Even though he might be responsible for your barrenness, you are not supposed to say such thing to him. Yes. The consequences of such an act are grievous.
So what do I do now? I should watch them fold my hands, watch them throw me out of this palace in this kingdom. For barrenness I cause not.
In this part of the world, women are victimized in every angle of life. But don't worry, my daughter. I can fold my hands and watch you suffer. The only thing that does not have a solution in life is death. there is always a way out of every problem. Don't worry, eh?
Thank you,
it's okay.
Let me be going now.
Eze wanyi! Eze wanyi! Eze wanyi! I know you can hear me. And I also know that you can see me. Today I come to you, bringing my daughter, Oledo, before you. She is about to suffer the sin she did not commit. She is about to be penalized for the inability of another. I come to you with tears in my heart. Please, don't leave her empty-handed. Give her all that she desires. We promise that if you do all this for us, we must come to thank you afterwards. I know you will never fail me.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you since morning. I asked the maidens and the guards about your whereabouts. They said they don't know. Where have you been?
My king, my troubles are many. You say I should pray to any god I serve to come to my rescue. That is exactly where I went to today.
I see, my queen. I just pray the God answers you.
Yes, he will.
So,
Oledo! 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 What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Dream. I dream.
Dream?
Yes. We were making love together. You and I. Mama, this strange being comes to make love to me every night. To a point, I'm not more comfortable sleeping with the king on the same bed, and he notices it.
Hey, Ezewani. Ezewani dalu o. Hey, I know you will never put us to shame. Yeah, I know.
You mean this has to do with our visit to Ezewani? Hey, Mama?
My daughter, you have to be ready. Yes, you have to be ready. In few months' time, you are going to be with a child.
Hey?
Yes.
This is very much unusual, Mama. Very hard for the mind to comprehend.
Okay. Life itself is a mystery. Happy are those who are ready to demystify life. They shall never put to shame. They shall never put to shame.
Your Majesty, I think there's a good news.
Yes.
You're 6 weeks pregnant. Congratulations.
What?
You don't look happy.
Don't mind me, doctor. I'm fine.
Okay. Can I wait? Thank you.
chaotic life between love and hate. But I choose love.
There is good news.
What is it?
I'm just coming back from the hospital and the doctor confirmed that I'm 6 weeks pregnant. This will result.
To be with the one I love, what will I do? To be with the one, tell me what will I do? To be with the one, tell me what will I say? To be with the one I love.
God yourself really answered you in a mysterious way.
I shall leave now, my king. Mama, he keeps visiting me every night just to know how his son is faring. And he says many things that I don't understand. Mama, I want to have my peace, please. Can you please tell Ezemwai to tell him to stop visiting me? Please. Please, Mama.
It's okay, my dear. But my daughter, you should be very happy that finally you are carrying a child for the king. My dear, do you know that you shall no longer be banished out of the palace because of barrenness? That is the most important thing that matters now.
What your mother failed to tell you was that the child that was given to you by the river goddess has 2 lives to live. One on the mortal body and the other in the marine kingdom. He was betrothed at birth to a marine goddess named Princess Morgana of the 7 rivers. Princess Morgana is a very jealous lover. She vowed never to share her man with any mortal all his days on earth until he returns to the river for them to be joined together as man and wife.
Hey, I didn't know of all these things.
You are right, Your Majesty. It was never your fault. But don't worry. All hope is not lost. I serve a living God, the maker of the heavens and the earth. He reigns in heaven, on the earth, and beneath the earth. The Bible says that at the mention of the name of Jesus, every knee bows, of things in heaven, of things on the earth, and of things beneath the earth. Kuba Shataliba. Yes, Palo Kuba Shipranila Kose Paradia. Zeligabo Shila Kabayande, Libra Numanteke Selebo, Dalia Kabayalea.
What have you come to do here? What have you come to do here? What accord has darkness and light?
I have come to set him free. He who the Son sets free shall be free indeed.
He is my lawful captive, and he belongs to this kingdom.
Even the lawful captive and the prey of the oppressor shall be made free on that day. This is the day that the Lord talks about. He shall be made free today.
He is going nowhere. He belongs to me. He is my lawful husband. We shall soon be getting married. He has just 3 years on earth and he will return to me. We will be happy forever. And there is nothing you can do about it.
For this cause the Son of Man was made manifest, to destroy all the works of the devil. For God has highly exalted him and given him a name that is above every other name. That at the name of Jesus, Liba Shakabaya Leba Libra Kabaya, Zabu Shakabaya Lebo Sobrani, Lika Busaba Leboya Lebo Shaba, Kabaya Lebo Sika Talaba. Thank you, Jesus.
No! I've lost him! I've lost him! I lost him! No!
Zelo Bakaliba Rosi Kabatali Mandele Gozada. Lenu Shapraneka Salabo Sebraniaga Zebranu Shakalia Kalika Sondiliga Brahinda Leskalamaya Legu Soprakila Nasha Nagina Kusobragila Nabo Shakaliba Hinda Ligadusata Legina Pranika da Salia Gadesha Nina Nuski Pradisha Nalu Shakabaya. That is it. He's free. He's free. Yes, he is free. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Whom the Son has set free shall be free indeed. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, Shakabaya. Thank you, Jesus. Worship him. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Lord. He's free. Thank you, Jesus. Kabaya Ledu.
Baby, you have to be with your son. I need to go and fix some things.
I know. Don't do this. Don't do this. Listen, this boy is a prince. The next king of this kingdom. Yeah. He has a lot of maidens assigned to him. And their job is to take care of him. Take him to them. The king needs to think.
Baby, you should also understand the fact that this is your son. And you should learn how to take care of him. Please, do that for me. I love you.
Good boy. Indeed, you are my son. Royalty personified. From both your mother's side and your father's side. The true royal blood.
It's like I'm crazy. What will I do to be with the one I love? What will I do to be